Okay, today we're going to be talking about monopolies. So some characteristics of a monopoly is that it's a single seller and their unique good has no substitutes. So they can price discriminate and they can sell to whoever is willing and able to sell no matter the price. They can do it to different buyers. Also, they're price makers. There's high barriers to enter the market, which is why there's only one seller. And they have the ability to make a long run profit. So let's learn how to graph profit and loss. So first we're going to start with our demand curve. And then right underneath that, we're going to put our marginal revenue curve. And then we're going to graph our marginal cost curve, which is our Nike swoosh. So this is where the difference comes in between profit and loss. So we're going to graph our ATC, and it has to be below the demand curve because that means we're going to be making a profit and making more revenue than cost. Oh my gosh, that's not where I should be graphing over. So you need to find the intersection where MR equals MC. You're going to dash down, and this is going to be your quantity maximum. And then you're going to dash up to the demand curve, and you're going to dash over to find your price maximum. Okay, great. So now we have our total revenue. Well, now we need to find where our total cost is. So that's right here where this dashed up line meets ATC. So we're going to dash over again. So down here is our total cost, but up here is profit. Okay, great, right? So now let's look at loss. So again, we're going to start with our demand curve, downward sloping, and we're going to do the same for our marginal revenue curve, also downward sloping. Nike swoosh for marginal cost. Okay, ATC. So since we're doing a loss, we need to put ATC way above the demand curve. So we'll just put it up there. ATC, okay. So let's find where MR equals MC. That's right here. Dash down to find our quantity maximizing. And then dash up to the demand curve, okay. Price maximizing. Okay, so we found our total revenue. So now we need to go up to ATC, and now we're going to dash over. So all of this box is going to be our total cost. So, and our total revenue is below that. So that means all of this is going to be a loss. So another thing with monopolies to find elasticity is that at MR equals 0, right up here, this is going to be unit elastic, and above is going to be elastic, and below that point is going to be inelastic.